Welcome to the in-office training of Eatance. Today we'll learn how to add a driver or delivery person to the application via the admin panel. So let's begin. Sign in using the master admin credentials. Once signed in, you land on the home page with the dashboard in the center and the navigation panel to the left. Go to the navigation panel and from the menu listings, go to Users. Click on Users and from the drop-down selection, click on Manage Drivers. This will bring up the driver management page. As you can see, there is a list of already added drivers. To add a new driver or delivery person, click on the Add button. In the Add Driver page, we will enter details of the new driver. So enter the name. Enter the contact number. In the restaurant name, select the restaurant to which this driver will be assigned. You can select single restaurant or multiple restaurants. Next, assign a unique password to this new driver. Confirm the password. Do recall that the master admin is the only one who has the privileges and the rights to assign a password to the new driver. Without this password, the driver will not be able to access the driver application. Go ahead and click Submit to add this new driver. As you can see, our new driver has been added to the list and shows up on top.